Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, good morning. Hopefully everybody is healthy and happy today. First, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Tiara Deta Pramesti from first degree in nutrition. Now, I would like to presentation about zero hunger for a practical assessment from Maam Perti Rosanda. Next, zero hunger. Definition of zero hunger. Zero hunger is one of the SDGs points of interest because when the targets were reached, meaning that no one was malnourished, was anyone experiencing malnutrition. Zero hunger is a condition in which a country is without hunger, food security, nutrition creates sustainable agriculture. The problems of zero hunger in Indonesia. In Indonesia, the level of hunger has decreased. In 1992, the number was 19.7%. Then, in the 2014 to 2016, it fell to 7.9%. This is due to the rapidly increasing economic growth, so that the rate of hunger has decreased. Even though it has decreased by 50%, Indonesia is still considered slow in reducing the number of malnourished people, especially children under 5 years of age. Nearly 13.7% of Indonesian children under 5 are stunted due to malnutrition based on the last data. Next, major action to realize zero hunger. 1. Campaign and starting a movement not to waste food. The community is advised to save the leftover food by freezing it so that it can be processed back into new food. If you eat at a restaurant and the food order is not finished, you should take it home so that it can be stored in the refrigerator so that it can be eaten again or processed again into new food. 2. Increase the amount of food production. Countries are encouraged to increase the amount of food production in order to meet the food needs of their citizens and citizens of the world. FAO also encourages agricultural research in order to find new methods in agriculture in order to increase food production. Next, implementing a diet as well as a healthy diet. The community is encouraged to pay attention to the nutritional content of the food consumed so that the number of obese sufferers decrease and the mortality rate due to obesity also decrease. And the last, inviting all countries to support zero hunger program. Okay, that's all my presentation. Hopefully you can understand about zero hunger. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.